Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is the 8th video of English phrases for everyday speaking video series. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Then you can easily get the notification when I upload video to the YouTube. Today we're going to talk about a topic that affects all of us, routines. Routines are an essential part of our daily lives, so let's dive right in and learn how to talk about them in English. By the end of this video, you'll be able to express your daily activities and understand how to discuss routines with others. Let's get started. To begin, let's explore some vocabulary related to routines. We'll start with basic verbs that describe common actions we do every day. Pay attention and repeat after me. Wake up. Brush teeth. Take a shower. Get dressed. Have breakfast. Go to work, school. Have lunch. Return home. Do homework. Exercise. Have dinner. Watch TV. Go to bed. Great job! Now, let's learn how to talk about our routines using simple present tense sentences. This tense is used when discussing actions or habits that are repeated regularly. Here are some examples. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. He brushes his teeth twice a day. She takes a shower in the morning. We get dressed before leaving the house. They have breakfast together. He goes to work by bus. She has lunch with her colleagues. I return home in the evening. They do their homework after school. She exercises at the gym. He has dinner with his family. I watch TV before going to bed. Excellent! Now it's your turn. Take a moment to think about your own daily routine. What time do you wake up? When do you have breakfast? Try to form a few sentences describing your daily activities. And you can comment them on a comment section below. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Practice makes perfect. Now, let's learn some useful phrases and expressions to talk about routines with others. These phrases will help you engage in conversations about daily activities. Let's take a look. What time do you wake up in the morning? When do you usually have breakfast? How do you get to work, school? What time do you go to bed? Do you exercise regularly? What do you do in the evenings? How often do you watch TV? These questions are great conversation starters and will help you connect with others by discussing your daily routines. Remember, asking questions is an excellent way to show interest in someone else's life. To reinforce what we've learned, let's play a little game. I will say a sentence about a routine, and I want you to fill in the missing word. Ready? Let's go. I always, blank, my teeth before going to bed. That's right, the missing word is brush. She, blank, to work by car. Correct, the answer is goes. Fantastic job! I hope you enjoyed our little game. Remember, practicing regularly will help you feel more confident in expressing routines in English. Well, that wraps up our lesson on routines in English. Today, we covered vocabulary related to daily activities, learned how to talk about routines using simple present tense. So, this is the end of English phrases for everyday speaking Part 8 video. Hope to see you on Part 9 video. If you think this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Until next time, happy learning and take care. Thanks for watching.